Alright, so I'm going to try a new thing. Not only am I going to do the daily questions and answers, which I've been trying to do every day, but I'm going to make it short with maybe one or two questions, maybe 30 seconds long. I'll read the question, let a couple seconds go by, and then I'll read the answer. So I'm really trying to make this a automotive knowledge channel so y'all can learn and I can learn by helping y'all learn and y'all can help me learn. Anyways, so which of the following is not a common input to the ECM? Idle air control valve, throttle position sensor, or camshaft position sensor? Okay, what is the function of the EEPROM? Performs diagnostic testing on various sensors and components. Determine the engine's acceleration based on the accelerator pedal position, or uses some inputs to adjust the performance of the vehicle components. Alright, so the answer to the first question is idle air control valve. The answer to the second question is performs diagnostic testing on various sensors and components. Alright. Subscribe so you can get alerted whenever I post the next one. Alright, see you. Alright, so here's a quick 3-question quiz. I'll go the answers, or I'll go questions, and then I'll go back over the answers. So what is starting mode? What is clear flood mode? And what is acceleration enrichment mode? Okay, starting mode is when the ignition is first turned on, the ECM powers up and sends 12 volts to the fuel pump or fuel pump control module relay for 2 seconds. Clear flood mode, when the throttle position sensor is at wide open throttle, or WOT, the ECM reduces the fuel injector pulse width in order to increase the air-fuel ratio. And what is acceleration enrichment mode? Is when the throttle is open rapidly or the vehicle is under hard acceleration. Thank you, and please subscribe. Alright, I got a quick question for y'all over engine management system operations. Which of the following is a characteristic of the MIL? The MIL activates when it is monitoring the inputs of a component. The MIL activates when a component is activated and illuminates in the instrument panel. Or the MIL activates when a malfunction is detected and remains active. It's definitely going to be that last option. The MIL activates when a malfunction is detected and remains active. Comment below, let me know how you did. Subscribe so you can get all my questions, open-ended questions, multiple choice, my tips and tricks, my history over automotive stuff. I also have a digital character I created, and I try to do some cool things with him. Boom, pop quiz. Which of the following are OBD2 standards? A, requires components or devices to identify the excessive emission levels for the control module. B, requires the onboard computer to monitor and diagnose vehicle emission systems. Or C, requires a malfunction to occur before running a diagnostic. Number 2, which of the following is not a task of the engine control module? It performs active diagnostic testing that may affect vehicle performance, or performs intrusive testing that may affect vehicle performance. And number 3, which of the following are the 2 main functions of the ECM? A, ECM performs fuel system operation and diagnosis. B, ECM performs trouble code and brake system diagnosis. Or C, ECM performs DTC diagnosis and HVAC system operation. Okay, the answer to number 1 is B, requires an onboard computer to monitor and diagnose vehicle emission systems. Answer number 2, performs active diagnostic testing that may affect vehicle performance. And number 3, ECM performs fuel system operation and diagnosis. Subscribe, comment how you did. watch more in the future, you know the deal. Pop quiz. Alright, so this one's different than any other one I've ever done. So I'm going to name 7 characteristics, and it's either going to be DTC characteristic or MIL characteristic. So I read the characteristic, and the answer is either DTC or MIL. Alright, first one, related to a diagnostic test. Number 2, remains flashing if vehicle experiences a catalyst damaging misfire. Number 3, fail record updates when test fails each ignition cycle. Number 4, once catalyst damaging condition has ceased, function remains illuminated. Number 5, MIL is turned off by ECM if vehicle passes diagnostic test. Number 6, based on failure of tests during a trip. And number 7, MIL illuminates an instrument panel if first diagnostic fails. Alright, so number 1, DTC, 2, MIL, 3, MIL, 4, DTC, 5, DTC, 6, MIL, and 7, DTC. Let me know how you did. I know y'all love these pop quizzes. I don't know if you do or not, but I think it's fun because whenever I teach people, I also learn too. So even if nobody else is learning anything, I am. So it's great. Anyways, number 1, what is a drive cycle? Number 2, what does a scan tool do? And number 3, what is an EGR test? Alright, number 1, runs all the emissions related OBD monitors and begins with a cold start. Number 2, checks if the monitors are complete and if all indicators are updated to yes. And number 3, repeat the acceleration for a few intervals. Alright, subscribe, comment, like, go watch my long videos, whatever. Thanks. Alright, pop quiz. Let's see. Number 1, what is a CAN system use? Number 2, what is low speed? Number 3, what is mid speed? Okay, number 1, typically uses low speed, mid speed, and high speed. Number 2, it is a single wire network that communicates at 33.33 kbps. And number 3, it is a dual wire network and it is used for entertainment systems. Alright, thank you. Subscribe, go like, do what you do. Alright, which of the following is the function of the cruise control system? A, controls the desired speed under normal driving conditions, so the driver does not have to depress the accelerator pedal. B, controls the accelerator pedal position sensor at a desired speed, allowing the driver to have better control of the vehicle. Or C, determines when to increase or decrease the vehicle speed. And the correct answer is A, controls the desired speed under normal driving conditions, so the driver does not have to depress the accelerator pedal. Alright, thank you. Alright, which of the following happens if the anti-theft system does not read the correct transponder? A, the ECM sounds the horn repeatedly for 30 minutes. B, the ECM disables the starting and fuel delivery systems. Or C, the ECM immediately locks all the doors. Correct answer is B, the ECM disables the starting and fuel delivery systems. Alright, which of the following is correct about the traction control system? A, on current vehicles, the traction control system is monitored by the BCM or body control module. B, the system monitors all 4 wheel speed sensors to determine if one or multiple wheels have lost traction. Or C, the ECM advances spark timing when there is a loss of traction. The correct answer is definitely going to be B. The system monitors all 4 wheel speed sensors to determine if one or multiple wheels have lost traction.